made it back to the RV resort here. We really like this area, and I like this spot I picked out. We're right by the cabins, which no one's in them yet, so that's awesome. And you know, there's a few RV sites across the road here. We've had that one on the corner there before, and we liked that one. A couple years ago we had that one right there. And the last time we were here, we were further back over towards, right across from some restroom and showers that are back that way. That was a nice spot. This is really nice because we have trees. We like have a front yard. I got to put our outdoor carpet out, but we have a fire pit right over here. We got a picnic table. Really nice. Look at all this yard space we have. I think it's pretty much perfect for us. And it's close to the lodge, which is right down the road there. And the swimming pool, which we might still be able to get to do some more swimming this weekend, because it's supposed to get up close to 90 degrees again. There's a fire truck coming by here. I wonder what's up with that. You never know. So we like this spot. Looks like somebody left a rock. Did they wave at you?
Yeah, no, I waved at them.
I've seen a lot of fire trucks in the past like 18 hours, because last night when we were on our way, of course, which that will be in this same video, or you've already seen it in this video, there was a wreck and we had to change our route last night to get here. But we got set up here late. It was about 10 o'clock when we finally got everything done and got leveled. Look at that. There's a glittery purple and gold rock. Somebody left here for us. Let's see if it says something underneath. Nope. That's cool. I love the smell of the pine needles. It reminds me, takes me back to when I was a kid and we would go camping in Texas, more like east central Texas area, Big Sandy, Texas, in the fall, early fall. And that was pretty cool. But I've got to, I'm thinking I'm gonna bring our power cord in, our shore power cord in a little bit. But it was no fun setting up in the dark last night and trying to level and everything. I think you gotta watch your blocks. See my leveling blocks, I gotta make sure they're even. And that one, yeah, those are pretty good. You don't want the tires like halfway off of them, is the deal. So I think I did pretty good for doing that late last night. Oh, we got a visitor here. Get over here so the sun shines better on your ugly mug there. Wow. This guy. Oh, you smell bad too, so it fits.
Yeah.
Fits the look. He's he couldn't wait to get to our storage unit. We went there last night, as I said, and he pulled out his Halloween attire. He's had that mask with him this whole time. Well, that's about it for now. We're gonna wrap up this edition of Full Tiny House. We thank everybody for your subscriptions to our channel, and we do have a Patreon if you want to go check that out. We got to do some more setting up of get the rug set up here and everything. Oh, I got to check my level over here. Let's see how I did. Did that last night. That looks pretty good. All right, that's all. Say bye, Ethan.
Bye.
No, I said say bye, Ethan.
Bye, Ethan.
All right, yeah, being silly. All right, y'all. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. Who are you looking at? He's constantly guarding the area, guarding his mommy and family. He's a serious dog. Serious job he's got right here. Good job. Keep up the good work, Banjo. Okay, high five. I think they're gone. That golf cart that went by. See, they're way down there. They're gone, Banjo. Yep. Yeah, it's a truck. Mm-hmm. Yep, it's a guy on a bike. Yeah. Yeah, that's a kid with their parents and their doggy. We know. We know. It's okay. Never fails. He does this every time. Not sure if you can see them. Yep, there they are, the satellites. Flying overhead. It's so cool. Cheslin noticed them. My camera's terrible, but he's really awesome in person. It's getting ready to go behind the trees though. That was cool. Good job, Cheslin. Ethan got a fire going there. Some people left a whole bunch of wood for us. Not a whole bunch, but quite a bit. About 8 good pieces, I think. Perfect weather right here.
I'm using magic. Bam. Sorry. It's gonna be all in your face. Here it comes.
The wind has changed direction. Just get back a little. Having to preserve our wood supply to do that another night. Have some left, but had a nice, good long fire this evening. Just tossing a bunch of pine needles on the fire because there's so many of them. It's cleared them out pretty good around this fire ring.
I'll have to get more tomorrow.
Yeah.
And try to find some more sticks and stuff around the